Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several days ago, and that is where this green line up here is coming from. And that actually plays a very vital role in today's update. But let's first just make the overall update. And the update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this level is actually broken below down there on Tuesday. So the price broke below there Tuesday. So at that point, as far as the rules and technical analysis would be concerned, that is when that area would be considered an area of resistance. And then you fast forward to today, and surprise, surprise, you look at right where the price happened to be rejected, right up there at that 15-cent mark. So my point here is not that 15 cents can never, ever be broken going forward. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price ultimately did run out of steam. Because, yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. And, this right here was definitely a very, very impressive move to the upside. But then it ultimately, got rejected back. And, that rejection point at 15 cents. So keep a close eye on that from the overall point of view as far as resistance levels are concerned. As far as more so a nearer term level of resistance, watch that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the famous 50-period moving average. So keyword being moving as Thursday and Friday play out, that line will move itself further and further downwards. So again, in the near term, before you can really even talk about doing any further battle with that 15-cent mark, the price is first going to need to break up above that moving average right there. And if it can do that, then yeah, you can turn your focus back to the 15-cent mark. So again, from the resistance side of things, near-term level of resistance at that 50-period moving average, and then the next level of resistance after that, up there at 15 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 10 cents. You can see a whole bunch of times after the price got down around there, the bears try to press through, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So that is definitely going to be the key level to watch going forward from the support side of things. And again, nothing complicated other than the fact of that's just simply where the price stopped bleeding on the day and then got the bounce from. So we'll see how this one plays out going forward. But yeah, kind of a disappointing day with the way that upwards bounce got rejected. But we'll see if the price can try to make another go at it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.